Good day, everyone. I am Mercedes Arboleda, and today we will be tackling our research topic entitled A Phenomenological Study about the Impact of Social Media Engagement on the Anxiety and Depression Experiences of Grade 11 New Students in Golden Faith Academy. This study is done by my co-researchers named Alberto Bustamante Calderon, Corpus Dalisay, Felix Menya, and Felix Victorio. Without further ado, let's start. Our research focuses on how social media engagement affects anxiety and depression experiences of grade 11 new students in Golden Faith Academy. Most students use it to connect with others, express themselves, and share their experiences. Some of the students also feel sad, worried, and left out after a while because of what they encounter online. This study aims to learn and understand how students deal with feelings of anxiety and depression from social media use. The use of social media cannot be removed from young people who are active on using social media. The cases of anxiety and depression are increasing due to the use of social media. The significance of our study is explore different experiences on how social media affects the thoughts and emotions of grade 11 new students. And the reason why they're easy to feel anxious or sad, the outcome of this research can help students and Golden Faith Academy to support and take action like educating students about the proper use of social media. Other than that, the purpose is to raise awareness about anxiety and depression. This study explores how social media impact students' mental health through use of gratification theory that is seeking fun connection but risking overexposure, social comparison leading to sadness, low confidence, and cognitive behavior theory that are negative thoughts adding to anxiety or depression, examining if daily social media time activity increases feeling of anxiety and depression among students. In terms of gathering data, will be gathered through interview using open-ended questions about their social media interaction and emotional aspects. Participants will be selected using purposive sampling focusing on students who are active users of social media. The interview will be done in a comfortable place and will be kept confidential for both participants and interviewer. Then, the collective data recorded will be transcribed and analyzed by identifying common themes and patterns related to